In this series of videos, we're going to install some SAP components, the NetWeaver ASCS on a Windows clustered environment. We're going to do this with VMware Workstation. We'll build a domain controller, 2 nodes, set up the cluster for Windows, get that working, and then install the SAP ASCS component and the ERS component on top of that build. And before we go, I just wanted to show that we're going to be basing everything off the standard document from SAP and the high availability chapter on installation. And it goes over the reasons why you would need it, but more importantly, if I scroll down here, we're going to come and see a picture of what we're actually going to set up here. And I'm just going to scroll down just a little bit more to get to that point. Of course, it's farther down. Basically, this picture right here. We're going to put the ASCS on node 1, another ASCS on node 2, and have a SAP group, and this will be the failover. The installation will build this, and it'll also build the ERS components. We're not going to put a PAS on it for this time, or additional application servers. We can in feature videos, but this is just to get a demo going to how to set up the high availability environment for SAP's ASCS. So in the next video, we'll build a domain controller and the nodes and just walk through each step on how to get this going in your home environment. Anyway, I'll talk to you in the next video.